guys, today is going to be a quick review video, and the product that I'm going to review is this salt and pepper grinder. It was sent to me from Lao Kingdom. It's a really beautifully designed, sleek, very masculine, very modern design. I like that it has the stainless steel together with the glass that you can see through. Now, it does not come with the salt nor the pepper. I bought this and I put it into the container, and all you to do is you open it like this, and then you would fill it with your whole peppercorns, and then you close it back like this. The top of it opens like this, and this is the grinder. Now this can be adjusted to whatever size you would like your peppercorns, and the same goes for the salt. You adjust this to the size that you want. The dimensions are 2.5 inches in width by 5 inches in height. It's generously sized, so you can put a lot more into the container. It has a very high quality stainless steel and this glass base. The grinding mechanism in here is made out of ceramic. It's easy to refill, easy to open and close, and it does not leak onto the table, because when you put this on your table, this is how you put it, so it's not upside down like how some would usually be. So I really like this. Now let's move on to testing it out. Okay, so I'm going to use the black pepper now, and you can adjust the coarseness, but I don't want it too coarse, so this is just perfect for me. It's grinding really smoothly, and those peppercorns are not sticking. Sometimes you would notice you would buy a pepper mill and you know sometimes it sticks, but this works really well. I really like it so far. And now I'm going to do the salt, and basically it should work the same way. Okay, so the salt works just as well. I really like how it works. It's so smooth, it's very sleek. I absolutely love this product. So guys, in conclusion, I just want to say that I absolutely love this product and I stand by it 100%. I will leave the link for you all down below if anyone is interested in purchasing this for themselves or even buying it as a gift. So thank you all, and I will see you all another day. Enjoy.